I want to do a water cave series. So this will be my very first one. And I got inspired by these beautiful photographs of water caves and how they flowed and the structure of the cave. So I want to pour and see if I could recreate the look of these water caves, and that's what I'm going to do. This is going to be done in sections and layers. So the first thing I want to do is the water section. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to get the paints ready. I'm going to just, for the water, I'm going to use Caribbean Blue, Turqua, and Desert Turquoise. So these three colors will be mixed together in a cup and poured. I'll get that ready. So now I have the paint in the cup, and I'm just going to start pouring. This has been drying for several hours, but it's still extremely wet. I am going to pour the cave section now. And I have basically layered 3 of these cups for this cave. So let me play with this. See how it goes. I'm going to take some cell activator to do some swipes. Didn't this come out just the way I intended, and more so? I mean, this is, I don't know how to show you all the parts of this that are just to die for. But it's amazing how it came out. Yeah, I'm loving this. I love it. I hope you enjoyed to watch.